Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today this one's an interesting one because we have the Daniel Arsham Hot Wheels that we are going to be unboxing. So as you can see, I already have the Eroded Porsche 930, and this one came with the rally case. When Hot Wheels first announced the collaboration, you could buy the case and the Porsche together. I think it was $200 if I remember correctly. And then this is the second car to come out, the Eroded Roger Dodger. And I think this was, I don't remember how much it was off the top of my head. But yeah, all of these cars are really cool. And now we have, I believe, what is lap 2 of the release for the Daniel Arsham and Mattel. So here we have the Arsham Porsche 356 Bonsai, and here on the side of the box it just has some specs. Has the official Porsche licensed product sticker, which is pretty cool. Has on the side Hot Wheels times Arsham Legends Archive. And the next car we have up is the Eroded Deora II. And same thing, it has some specs on the side of it. I noticed that each of these is like a futuristic I guess type of car, which is why it says year 3000 on the Deora, and on the Porsche it says year 2955. So we're gonna go ahead and go through this unboxing together. I'm pretty excited to see these cars. I was out on vacation when they came, so I have not unboxed them yet, so you guys are here to join me for that. All right. Here you have a paper just as to cut it right down the middle, and then the Mattel certificate of authenticity, which I like that they include the certificate of authenticities on here, because I'm not sure if people would try to make fakes of these, but yeah, it's just really cool to to still have it, just for if you're into that. Alright, so here it's wrapped in tissue paper. So we'll go ahead and tear that off. And here is the box with the sticker that goes over the top. This is Hot Wheels Arsham, Eroded Deora. On the side it has Hot Wheels Arsham Legends Archive, Mattel Creations, and Arsham Studio. And then here we cut right down the middle of it. So then I think I just want to make a note that the reason why I find these cars really cool and impressive is because I went to LA one time, and there's this museum called the Peterson Museum where all it is just cars. Like, it is a car lover's dream there. And while I was there, they had some of the Daniel Arsham cars there on display, which I thought was really cool. So when I saw that Hot Wheels was coming out with this, I was like, oh, I'm definitely gonna buy it, because I do see them as pieces of art. Yes, people are like, oh, they're too expensive, I'm not gonna pay 60, 70, or $100 something for a Hot Wheels, but I see them as pieces of art, which is why I decided to go ahead and buy the Hot Wheels. Okay, so I cut the box down the middle, kind of in a mess, but if you go ahead and open it, it's really cool, the presentation, how it kind of like raises up when you open the box. So like that's the main display. I mean, you don't even need to put these in the case. You could put these on your shelf, just kept in the packaging box like this, because of how nice it is. So let's do that one more time. So it's held together by like a magnet, and then you open it, and then voila, there's the car. And you can just take it out of the box, and wow, this is a lot better in person than it is online. The colors are really nice on this Deora II. And then it's in the upper left, it's Hot Wheels Arsham, and then Arsham Studios logo in the upper right on these cases. And they're just held by 2 screws, and again it says the name on it, Daniel Arsham, Eroded Deora II, Legends Archive. And I just really like the way that it's packaged. So we'll go ahead and set that to the side, fold this back up, put it back in the box, and now we will move on to the Porsche. And I'll add a couple of pictures if I can find some from the Peterson Museum when they had the exhibit there. But it was really cool to see. I know that they had a Mustang, Ferrari, Porsche. They had this eroded Porsche 930. They had the actual car on exhibit there too, which was cool. And so I'm hoping that Hot Wheels comes out with the Ferrari and Mustang soon, because that's going to be really cool to get. So another certificate of authenticity. Again, it's wrapped in tissue paper. So let's go ahead and take that out of the box. Just unwrapping it here. It's like opening up a Christmas present whenever you get one of these in the mail. And then here's the box. Again, it says Arsham Porsche 356 Bonsai. Has a gray sticker going over the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that open. Alright, so here we go. And there it is. There's the Arsham Porsche 356 Bonsai. This is a really nice car. I just love how the Porsches look, especially the Daniel Arsham Porsches. Really nice. It would be cool if Porsche made this into like a limited run, type vehicle, more like a collector's edition type, an actual running car that, looks like the way Daniel Arsham designed it. I know that, these are based off of real Porsches, but just to create one like this would be cool and unique to see in Daniel Arsham's design. A little license plate on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Bonsai on it. And yeah, these are just some really, really beautiful cars. And we can set that off to the side, and then pick up at the rally case here, and here it gives, see there's spaces for each car. So the eroded Porsche goes up top, Roger Dodger to the left, and then I'll put the Eroded Deora right here, and then the Porsche Bonsai right here. So as you can see, we only have 4 spots, or I only have 4 spots left to fill up. So 2 cars are going to come out for laps 3 and 4. So then that'll complete the whole collection. But yeah, it's really cool to have all of these cars and to appreciate them as works of art. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop them down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. I know that people aren't really, like, these aren't selling out immediately because of the price, but if you know you're a true Hot Wheels collector, I think that these are a good, I wouldn't say investment, but they'll be a good addition to your collection. So, alright, thanks guys. Appreciate you guys watching.